So this is the day we get to do slide 18. This one is the make it or break it. So remember, whenever you go into your classroom, hit classwork. That kind of shows you everything, those ed puzzles you had to do. So slide 18, the expense sheet. You're going to need this PDF to help you with it. So just click and open it. Okay, so we have all of these different prices and stuff that we can look at. So now in our project, page 18, so we're going to be filling all of this out. So mortgage or rent. So we go to our page that we did our mortgage. So 1,158. Okay, we didn't rent, so we don't need renter's insurance. Groceries, 150 a person. So that means I go to my spouse card. And I have 2 kids, so 2 kids and 2 adults. That would be 4. So 4 times 150. So that's going to be $600. And yes, groceries are expensive. Now I'm going to skip dining out for now. Phones. So if we look at our phones on that PDF. So let's see. Do I want a home phone? Do I want 2 cell phones? Do I want any cell phones for the kids? I'm going to do 130 because the kids are young, too young to have phones right now. So we'll do 130 for that. Now, if I have more money, I can go back and change that later. Electric and gas. So if you look at here, for electric and gas, it depends on the square footage of your house. So you got to go back to the slide that has your house. And that's why you took a picture of the square footage. So mine is 1749 for the square foot. So 1749 would be $230 a month. So it's right between those. So 230. Then we look for water, sewer, trash. So looking at the PDF again. I'm a homeowner, so that's going to be $169. Internet. So what kind of internet am I going to have at the house? So let's see, there's only 4 of us, so I'm going to go, this is probably 100 Mbps. So that's 88. So the 1,000, that's the Gigablast. But I'm going to just go with the $88 a month. If it doesn't work fast enough, I can always upgrade it. Television. So looking at here, I'm probably going to do Hulu without commercials and Netflix. So 13 and 14, that's 27. There's other packages like Disney Plus and stuff you can look at. Child care, I have to look back at my spouse card. And for childcare, $5.25 a month. Or $5.25. Pets. Now, if you have any pets, you go to your pet slide. But let's see, where did I put it? Down a little further. Pets are $25 a month. So if you have 2 pets, that'd be $50. If you have 1 pet, that's $25. I have no pets, so that's going to be $0. So it depends on how many pets you have on your pet sheet. Okay, car payment. Alright, so I messed up on car payment. So car payment. So I have a 2012. And my car payment is $181 a month. So I have to put 181. And car insurance for 2012 is going to be for car is 120. So I put 120. Then for my spouse's car payment, they're going to be 108. And then the insurance, they have a 2006. So 2006 is $100. So I put that in. Gas for both cars. Let's see, gas is $150 a month per car. So that's $300. Ugh, it's expensive. Alright, student loans. So my student loan is $286.57. So I'm just gonna put $287. So 287. And then alright, so my spouse's student loan, $45,000 is $322. So that one I'm going to round down. And what I want to do is, before I pick other, because other could be stuff like, movies, Starbucks, Dutch Bros, the gym, things like that. Child playing a sport. I want to see about how much money I have, haircuts, pedicures, massage, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to add all that up and see how much I have so far. Alright, so I added it all up without doing any dining out or anything, and it's 4345. So if I go to the next slide, I put that right there, 4345. Now, how much did I have on slide 6? Uh-oh, I'm a little worried. 4800. So 4800. I do have extra money. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and do some dining out. But I'm going to just go ahead and keep it 0. And I don't have renters. And I'm just going to put the other stuff as zeros. So I'm going to live under my budget. So all I have to do now is subtract those. And I have an extra $455 each month. So it's not a lot, but it's good, so I can put that in savings every month and help out. So that's how you do it. Slide 1819. Now, if you ended up spending more than what you make, you would have to go back and maybe find a different house. You might have to find different cars, something like that, because you cannot spend more than what you make. So remember, you get those from slide 6 and slide 18.